Why exactly are you making hanger art?
Huh?
Because it's weird.
We'll add one more row. Just looking underneath the red one though. She's balling these hangers.
Oh yeah, Mom will be real pleased with that. Isn't there a garbage bag of them somewhere?
Remember that keyword though. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, I was just going to do it.
I like how they're the random brown one.
Oh no, it's over here.
Ow! That fan hurt me.
Just like I cut my toe.
No, I didn't cut my toe.
But that actually really hurt.
That was funny.
No!
Way to just like smack yourself in the face.
I didn't.
Looks like it.
Which one slid down this one?
Why is that one so far away? The other hanger, they're closer at the top.
They're just hung off different things.
There's another one over there.
Do I need 3 more? I know how I can connect them.
There's one on the floor right there.
There's one with like connectors there.
Jojo's down here.
Hopefully.
Hey Kyle's the old man ghost.
No, hopefully. It's not Mom.
Why would Mom be playing with the dog toys?
Stepped on it.
Up, Barney.
Yes. Barney's getting mad into this.
Huh?
I'm adding Barney to it.
Why? Probably too heavy.
How the heck?
Don't take them off. Just use the hanger right there.
Well, this one I can connect them to.
You just slide them over the thing. Don't attach it to the pom-pom. I meant like take the string and slide it over that.
It's a maze to get to Barney. Everybody put our tries in it for getting it off to the end. What should we put in it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Gotta get that.
What should I
Gotta
put in there?
get
Tide bottle.
Why are you putting Tide in the stocking?
Oh no, for mine.
Do you want me to stop and take a picture now?
We'll put the washing wax in it.
Why? Because if anything is on that, it won't come out.
What do you mean?
It won't come off of that. There's stuff on it right there already.
Where?
It's sticky.
That's not from me. Tide didn't touch that side.
I know, I was there when you hung it up.
Find them, we'll put another hanger in it.
Why?
Just add to the art.
Oh.
We have one more final touch. It's Sylvester and a white teddy bear to sit in the middle of those.
Go find one in the crawl space.
They're all too heavy.
Should I still be filming this?
Okay.
What? Are you just gonna put it through the middle?
Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Wait, stay with the reaction. What did that dog do?
Who did that?
Me.
Why?
Dad, come see my art. My art. It stopped along with the door. No, Kelly, don't wreck it. Dad's got to see it.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Were you involved in that?